Hey guys, just want to do a quick video. I stopped by a new nursery I happened to see pop up online on Instagram. Pink Lady. How much is this bad boy? 40 bucks. So I decided to come out here and give it a try. And so far, I'm telling you, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm loving what I'm seeing. They have just about everything. I'm going to slowly try to take my time, but this is why I'm really here. It's for the citrus. I saw it popped up and said it got 800 new citrus in stock. So I decided to come over here. And of course, got to grab me a few of them. So let's squeeze on down here. See what all they got. They have some nice huge ones. How much is this? Can't tell. Look at all that. Like some of these are from Texas. Let me go ahead and take my time, guys, and look around at this, but I'll be right back. Here's the meal with Kumquat, guys, inside of a 10-gallon. I believe these are 130 here. The meal with Kumquat's there. Pretty nice looking citrus. They have a lot of citrus. They just got 800 new citrus in, so I'll continue looking, try to find the right one. I'll be right back. Here's a couple of Meyer Lemons, guys, for $24.99. Some of them are already loaded with lemons. Like I said, $24.99. You can't beat it. I'm gonna go ahead and probably grab about 2 of these and move on. Guys, they got my favorite plum tree, the golden plum. 40 bucks for a 3-gallon. I am in love with this place. They got pomegranates down there. Don't see the price on the pomegranates. I believe those are like 25. But they have a little bit of everything. And I mean everything. As you see, all right here, from there to there, going back, it's all citrus. From limes, oranges, kumquats, calamidians, everything. Reese plants here in Columbia, South Carolina, guys. Come down and check them out. Guys, this place is absolutely stunning. Came here for the citrus. I ended up grabbing 3 so far. 2 more Meyers and a lime. But I definitely will be back here. I'm in love with some of these pots. Once I start doing a little bit more work in the garden, I'll definitely stop by here and pick up a couple of these as well. Hey guys, just got back from Columbia. As you can see here, I got a new Meyer lemon here. She's loaded with blooms. Even got a couple of them starting to turn into lemons down there. This is one of the ones that was for 24. I accidentally popped one of the branches, but I'm trying to see if I can save that in a second. And then I got another one here. This one already has lemons. I decided to go with one with a little bit smaller lemons on it instead of the bigger ones. But I am in love with that place so far. I would definitely be going back. And then here also got a Persian lime. I love the way this one is shaped with the 2 main branches here Little thicker branches sticking off here, but this one also has some limes on it. Get the focus a little better for you guys. Has some there, and has a few there. Coming along pretty good. Just let these guys sit out here for tonight. All these ones have some pretty good little thick branches on them at the bottom. But, let me show you the star of today. Yeah, you guys know what that is. This will be going in a banana circle probably tomorrow. And not only that, but it is a short cycle banana, the Vente Coho. Oh, focus, there we go. Guys, I was surprised to see this there. And by the way, they also offer 10% military discount with your ID. So this tree was 30 bucks. I ended up getting it for, I think 25. I got a few dollars off all of these. They are beautiful. That's probably my new favorite nursery so far. But everybody stay tuned. We will be back out there shortly. Everybody stay blessed and keep growing. See you guys on the next one.